Hello friends, my name is Kinjal Bhavsar, lecturer in History Department from VPMP Polytechnic College. Subject name Microprocessor and Assembly Language Programming. Unit name 8085 Instruction Set. Then topic is Data Transfer, Operation and Instruction. Then these are the objective. First of all, classification of instruction. Then data transfer instruction. In data transfer instruction, detailed explanation about move instruction, load instruction and store instruction, and at last exchange instruction. First of all, start programming section. So in programming section, first of all, instruction. So what is instruction? Instruction is a command to microprocessor to perform a given operation on specified data. Then instruction divided into two parts. First part is opcode and second part is operand. So what is opcode? Opcode, that means ki operational code. So operational code which specify what operation to be performed. Then next part is operand. So what is operand? Operand, that means ki operated on. Then data to be operated on. Then second part of that is instruction classification. Instruction classified in 5 parts. First part is data transfer group. Second part is arithmetic group. Third part is logical group. Next, fourth is branch group. And fifth part is stack input output and machine control group. First, data transfer. So in data transfer group, move data transfer between register or between memory and register. This type of instruction is in data transfer group. Then in data transfer group, load instruction, store instruction, okay, then exchange instruction, that means ki exchange the data between two register. Second group is arithmetic group. So in arithmetic group, addition, subtraction, increment, decrement, this type of instruction. Then logical group, third group. So in logical group, AND instruction or XOR, that means ki exclusive or not. Then rotation means rotate left, rotate right. Then comparison between two register. Okay, this type of instruction is in a logical group. Then fourth group is branch group. So in branch group, unconditional and conditional jump. Then suppose we change the sequence of program, then this type of instruction is in a branch group. Then fifth group is stack input output and machine control. So in this group, push instruction, pop instruction, okay. Then ending of program, restart program, okay. This type of instruction is in a stack input output and machine control group. This is the terminology mostly used in an instruction. Suppose use R that means ki 8-bit register. In 8-bit register like A, B, C, D, E, H, L, that means ki general purpose register. Then RS that means ki source register. RD that means ki destination register. RP that means ki register pair. Register pair, that means ki 16-bit register. In this register pair, BC that means ki combination of B and C register. D that means ki combination of D and E register. HL that means ki combination of H and L register. Then RH that means ki higher order register. Then RL that means ki lower order register. Then M that means ki memory. As a memory, always HL pair is used. Then in data 8, that means ki 8-bit data. Then data 16, that means ki 16-bit data. Now start data transfer instruction. So in data transfer instruction, first instruction is move instruction. So this instruction moves data between register or between register and memory location. तो फर्स्ट इंस्ट्रक्शन मूव RS to RD, दैट मीन्स की RS दैट मीन्स की सोर्स रजिस्टर एंड RD दैट मीन्स की डेस्टिनेशन रजिस्टर. तो मूव फ्रॉम रजिस्टर टू रजिस्टर, दैट मीन्स की मूव फ्रॉम सोर्स रजिस्टर टू डेस्टिनेशन रजिस्टर, एंड दिस इज अ सिंबॉलिक रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ दिस इंस्ट्रक्शन. तो सिंबॉलिक रिप्रेजेंटेशन, content of RS that means की source register is transferred to RD that means की destination register. तो copies the content of source register RS into destination register RD. Okay, then example of this instruction, first move B to A, that means की copies content of register B into accumulator A. Then second instruction, move A to B, that means की copies content of register A into register B. Then move C to D, that means की copies content of C register to D register. Then second instruction is move M to R, that means की move from memory to register. Then symbolic representation of this instruction is content of HL pair. Content of HL pair that means की content of memory is transferred to register R. Then example of this instruction, move M to A, that means की copy content of memory location specified by HL pair, okay, this HL pair into accumulator. Then move R to M, that means की move from register to memory, that means की symbolic representation, content of R is transferred to HL pair, that means की memory location. Example of this instruction, move B to M, that means की copies content of register B into memory location specified by HL pair. Then next instruction is MVI. MVI data 8 R/M, that means की move immediately. तो symbolic representation, content the data 8 is transferred to register R. Then data 8 is transferred to M that means की memory. This instruction copies 8-bit immediate data into R/M. Then example of this instruction, MVI A55H, that means transfer 55H into accumulator. Then MVI M55, that means transfer 55H into memory location HL pair register. Now start second part, load and store instruction. Okay, so for load LDA address, this instruction is used for load accumulator direct, that means की content of direct address is transferred to accumulator. Symbolic representation, content of this address is transferred to accumulator. So copies content of memory location specified by 16-bit address of this instruction into accumulator. Then example of this instruction is LDA 2050. Meaning of that, content of 2050 is transferred to accumulator. Then next instruction, STA address. STA that means की stored accumulator direct. That means की content of direct address is transfer from accumulator. Opposite of LDA. That means की symbolic representation, content of accumulator is transferred to address. Copies the content of accumulator into memory location. That means की content of 2050 is transferred to accumulator, like STA 2050. Then next instruction is LDA XRP. That means की load accumulator indirect. तो indirect that means की address of this content is stored in indirectly register like BC and DE pair. So transfer the content of memory location specified by register pair into accumulator, and specially for that BC and DE pair is used. Then example of this instruction is LDAX-B, that means transfer the content of memory location specified by BC pair into accumulator. Then next instruction is STX-RP, that means ki store accumulator indirect. So in this instruction, content of accumulator is transferred to this location. So transfer the content of accumulator into memory location specified by register pair, and especially register pair BC and D is used. Then example of this instruction is STX-D, that means ki transfer the content of accumulator into memory whose address is given in register pair DE. Okay, this is the ST and D. Then next instruction is LXI-RP, data 16. So load 16-bit immediately. This instruction is specially used for load 16-bit data immediately. Symbolic representation of this instruction. So in RH that means ki higher register transfer the byte 3. Then in RL that means ki lower register transfer the byte 2. So in this instruction transfer second byte of instruction into lower order register of register pair and third byte into higher order register pair. Like example of this instruction is LXI H2050. So in this instruction 50 is transferred to H register, 50 is transferred to L register, that means ki lower data is transferred to L register, and 20 is transferred to H register, that means ki higher data is transferred to H register. Next instruction is HLHLD address, that means ki load HL pair direct. So in this instruction content of address is transferred to L register and content of address plus 1 is transferred to H register. That means ki this instruction copies content of memory location whose address is in a second and third byte into L register and content of next memory location into register H. So example LHLD 2050. So this instruction transfer content of memory location 2050 into register L and content of 2051 into register H. Next instruction is SHLD address, that means ki stored HL direct. So in this instruction content of L is transferred to address and content of H is transferred to address plus 1. So this instruction copies content of register L into memory location whose address is given in second and third byte and contents of H register into next memory location. Like example SHLD 2050. So this instruction transfer content of register L into memory location 2050 and register H into memory location 2051. Then last group is exchange instruction. So in this exchange the content of HL and DE register. That means ki for that XCHG instruction is used. So XCHG, that means ki exchange HL with DE. That means ki content of HL is exchanged with content of DE. Symbolic representation of this, content of H is transferred to D and content of D is transferred to H. Then content of L is transferred to E and content of E is transferred to H. This is the instruction exchange. This instruction exchange content of register H and L with register DE and E. Thank you.